Hi, I am Kalarimti from Lion AI. Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on Lion AI and discover every feature step by step. Smart people don't just collect information, they organize it. You click this video, you're a smart person. You're probably someone who wants to see how things connect. Today, there is a lot of information in the world. When we try to learn everything at once, our brain gets tired. So, we should organize information in the simple way that is easy to understand and remember. Our brain is not good at reading long text. It is better at understanding patterns and pictures. That's why we remember images more than long paragraphs. So, using mind maps helps us understand and remember information easily. Search NotebookLM and go to NotebookLM. Try NotebookLM. Now create a new notebook. Let's quickly introduce a Lion product. This mobile application developed by myself, and let's see it. Just type or speak your task naturally. Next Friday I have a meeting at 3:30 p.m. Task Genius AI creates automatically. Turn on assistant mode. Even when the app is closed, a floating assistant shows today's task on your screen. Today's tasks from anywhere. Upload your content, PDF, notes, articles. This is important because the mind map is created based on your content. Once your sources are ready, look for the mind map option, click to generate. Now I open created mind map. Now you will see main topic in the center, subtopics as branches. A small idea connected to each branch. And also you can download this mind map as image.